Welcome back to the Quality Munch. I am Jitendranath and today I have got another informative video for you. In my last two videos, we explored the fascinating world of histogram, from its applications in quality management to creating histogram in MS Excel. But what if you are looking to take your data analysis to next level? That's where histogram comes in. In this video, I'll show you how to create histogram using Minitab software. To make Minitab accessible for everyone, I'll also guide you through the process of downloading a free trial of Minitab. So, whether you are a quality professional, a student, or simply someone interested in data analysis, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in and discover how Minitab can enhance your understanding of histogram and take your data analysis skill to next level. But before we begin, make sure to hit subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's start the video and learn together. First of all, I will take you through the basic details of Minitab. Once you open the Minitab, you will see this window. So, there are four basic components here. First one at the top is menu bar. Here you can see file, edit, data, calculations, statistics, graph, editor, tools, window, help and assistant. If you click any one of it, you will have open options related to that menu. If I click graph, I can see scatter plot, matrix plot, bubble plot, marginal plot, histogram, dot plot, stem and lay plot and many more. If I click stat, I can see basic statistics, regression, ANOVA, DOE, control chart, quality tools and many more. Below this menu bar, you can see here toolbar. If you want to open new project, you can click here. If you want to save the project, you can click here. Here you can have the options which you require most frequently. Below the toolbar, there is a window which is called as a session window. Here in this session window, you can see the calculations or the result of our work. And the fourth component is the worksheet or data sheet. Here you can see the columns and rows, same as in Excel sheet. In Minitab, maximum number of columns are 4000, but there is no limit for rows. In this worksheet, you can paste data from Excel sheet and you can directly put the data here. So friends, here you can see this histogram which we have created in Excel sheet for this tire weight data. You know that I have 100 number of tires and their weight mentioned in this column. Now what I will do, I will copy this whole data with this label and will paste this here in C1 column. Now I will show you how to create histogram in Minitab. Now what I'll do, I will go to this graph option, click here and here you can see this histogram option. Now the new window is arrived. Here you can see the simple histogram with fit histogram. If I click here with simple histogram, I will get simple histogram, and if I choose this with fit histogram, it will be a histogram with curve. So I will choose this second option and here I have to choose graph variable. In order to choose this graph variable, what I'll do, I'll click on this weight option 2 times, double click. So I'll click on OK. Now you can see this histogram is ready. Here you can see mean weight is 159.7, standard deviation is 2.828 and number of samples are 100. Now what I'll do, I'll copy this histogram from here and will paste here in Excel sheet. Now you can compare this both histogram. Now I'm going to show you another way of creating histogram in Minitab. This way is also simple, but here you can analyze your data with histogram. So for that you have to go to this assistant and select this graphical analysis and click on this histogram option. Now it is asking how are your data arranged in the worksheet. So our data is arranged in one column only. So we have to choose this option, all Y data are in one column. It is already selected, and in order to select data in this Y column, we have to double click here on weight option. So you can see when I double click, this option is appeared here. Now simply we have to click on this OK button. Now you can see this summary report of histogram. Here you can see number of samples, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and this histogram. Along with this summary report of histogram, here you can have diagnostic report also. Here different shapes of histograms are given. Here normal distribution histogram, then moderate skewed histogram, severe right skewed histogram, moderate left skewed histogram, bimodal, truncated normal distribution, then uniform distribution, then outliers. Here we can compare our histogram with these shapes. Here the basis of comparison is center, then variability, shape, or outliers. Here you can see that in our histogram there are these outliers. With this analysis also we get this report card. Here this is regarding sample size. It is saying that your sample has at least 50 observations, which is usually adequate to represent the distribution of your data. And then we also have outliers. It is saying that some of the data points are outliers, which are points that do not appear to belong with the rest of the data, because outliers can strongly influence the results of any statistical analysis. So here you can see we also have these outliers. As per my promise in start of this video, I will also guide you to download your free version of Minitab. This free version you can use for 30 days as a free to learn. In order to download free trial version of Minitab for 30 days if you want to learn, you simply need to go to the Google and type here Minitab. Here you can see download free trial. Click here. Here you can see minitab.com, try or buy, download free trial. Scroll down. Here you can see one form. This form you have to fill. You have to enter your name, last name, work email ID, phone number, which best describe you. Here you will have options: commercial, full-time, student, or academic institution employee. Then you have to put here your job title, in which department you work, operations, data science, engineering, you are executive, information technology, you are working in Lean Six Sigma. You can choose options as per your choice. Then you can have here department, right here department, data science, engineering, executive. Then you have to put here what requirement is driving your evaluation today. Is this trial to help you evaluate the software? How did you hear about Minitab? Then you have to put your organizational information like company name, in which industry you are working, hospitality industry, construction industry, education, energy, finance. Then address, city, postal code, and lastly in which country you are from. And then submit this form. After submitting this form and after 15 minutes you will get mail from customer service of Minitab. They will send you link, and click on that link and download this software and install. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please support me by liking, commenting and sharing. Also don't miss to subscribe to the channel Quality Munch.